Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nestia Latifatul Hafi. This time I want to discuss remote access. Here I will discuss the definition, types, and implementation. Let's get into the definition of remote access. So, what is remote access? Remote access is a configuration, protocol, or ability to access and manage network device from a distance without having to be physically present at the device location. For example, if you are an office worker and are asked to send a file from the office, but you are at home, you can use remote access instead of having to travel to the office. Let's discuss the types. The first is Telnet. Telnet is a network protocol used to remotely access and manage devices over a network. It is not secure because it uses plain text. The second is SSH. SSH is a network protocol used to securely access and manage devices remotely. SSH is secure because it uses encryption. Now, we will try to implement it in Cisco Packet Tracer. So guys, I have created the topology which consists of two PC connected to a switch and PC1 connected to a router. We enter the pre-configured IP address. First, click on PC, go to the desktop and click IP configuration. Enter the IP 192.116.8.1.2. Enter subnet MAC 255 and default gateway. Enter the IP of the PC connected to the router, which is this. After entering the IP, click on PC1, go to terminal. Okay, and no. The first, of course, enable. Then konfigurasi terminal. Interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Next, enter the IP address and subnet MAC. IP address enter. Now shut down. Created a username and password for login. Username it's Gang and password enter. Enable secret. Change the hostname to router 1. Hostname router 1. Enter. Configure the domain name. IP domain name wow dot enter. Line I to I, V to 0, 4, enter. Set up the Fightway lines. The number of permitted user counted from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, meaning 5 people are allowed. I am using Telnet here, so enter the following command. Transport input Telnet. Enter. And then login local. Enter. Next, we test it from PC2. Go to the command prompt and enter the PC of PC1. Sorry, ping. Enter. If the response say reply, it means is successful. Or use telnet and IP address 1.1, enter, and username created earlier gang, enter. Password is 2022, enter. Enable password 1, 2, 3. These are already successful. Now as for the difference with SSH, SSH is used the command. Go to the PC1 and terminal. Okay, go to the terminal and exit. And then crypto-key generate SSH. Enter. We enter 1, 0, 2, and 4. We use because this is in minimum number of bit. We use 1, 0, 2, and 4 because this is the maximum number of bits required for SSH, while the maximum is for 2096. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys can understand the material if convenient. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.